Well, morning guys. Today we're going to be fitting custom off-road bash plates to my new Isuzu D-Max. Hopefully everything goes as planned. So I'll just fresh out the box. And we've got the D-Max up on jack stands already. And then we'll get on these, we'll get into installing. We'll remove these factory bash plates, we'll get into installing the new ones. See you soon. Bye. These little clips could be painful, especially when they're sandy. Persevere with it and puff it out. The back plates were 14mm bolts. They were nice and easy. I think this front one is, well, I've got a couple of 14s and 12s. This one out first. And what? More the bolts. How well it goes. As I said, these are stupid clips. Put that to the side. Tooling ready. No, I'll be corrected, but I'll it should be fairly straightforward. We'll start with the transmission. Grab a spanner. A lot easier if it was in the garage. With a ramp. Or a hoist even. But the garage isn't big enough. And it's got the other project in it, so there's no room. A lot quicker if I had a wrap around, but I'm old school. That guns cross threads. Leave that there now. Front plate, it's like it's boat. Something else, I might have a look. Just bear with me. So, taking the front panel off, and there's captive nuts. Where are they? There. They spin, I think they must have spun when they torqued the originals up. It's not a very good idea, they fall out there. What's the point of having captive nuts? Well, I'm back again. I've got all the original belly guards off now. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, there is a lot of stuff there. I want to start taking up 4-wheel drive, and I don't want to damage any of this. So, finish off installing. Now I've got the back plate installed. A little bit fiddly. Possible to do it yourself, but I had to use a little bit of extra support at the back to lift it up. The fiddly bit was getting the tabs in. Once they constructed properly, the tabs went in, not a problem. Now it's just a matter of installing the other ones and lining them all up and securing. So we'll carry on with that. Yeah. New bolts supplied with the kit. It would have been easier with a hoist in my shed, but we're rebuilding another car. There's no room in the shed. I have to use that hoist in there. See the very looking above your head. Instruction keys. Loosen the arm, slot the other ones in. This one will get the front plate in. And it slides into this and you bolt the front up. And that should be about it. I've got them all lined up. Camera here. I'm going to keep all the old ones. I want to put them back on at a later stage, but always easier. Right, that's them all in position. I just make sure everything's straight label. Start the work. There's the brand. That's handy. Try to fix the rest. Yeah, beautiful. There's a little tricky bit there. Protection. Nice socket, make it a little easier. Alright. Going up. There it is. Right. here for his odd camera angle. A few seconds, and I'll finish off. Dodgy bit. In fact, it's all the water comes back. I showed you the Carport nuts. How does he get utilised in this application? Off we go. Here's your custom off-road bash plates installed. Pretty straightforward, didn't take long, about an hour and a half. Just the fiddliness in the back one.